Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to Dom's Media Zone. Today we're going to compare two more lenses. We're going to compare the Canon 18 to 55mm kit lens on the 50mm mode versus the Canon Nifty 50, which is a 50mm lens. It's not a zoom lens, so you cannot adjust any kind of zoom in or zoom out. It's set to 50mm, and we're going to be comparing this lens against the kit lens, which is the 18 to 55mm lens set on 50mm, so that the settings match this one. Let's see what comes out. Let's see which one's quality comes out better. As always, you're going to be the judge. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Without further ado, let's put them to the test. Before we begin, I'd like to point out that we are using an external microphone. We're using a Blue Yeti Nano, so the sound is not coming from the Canon camera. We're using a Canon 90D set on 24 frames per second in 4K resolution mode. Okay, the lighting, we're using one main light and a little filler light, both of them set to 5000K, so is the camera. And the distance between me and the camera is roughly about 2 to 2.5 meters because it's a 50mm zoom, plus it's a Canon crop sensor camera, so it crops 1.6. Roughly, if you calculate it, it's about 80mm. Using the 50mm lens, you get an output of 80mm, if that makes sense, because the camera crops it in a little bit extra. Not all cameras do that. Some cameras are not crop sensor cameras, so you will get a bit of a different result. With a 50mm, you'll get a more wider field of view. Let's put this to the test. So currently you've been watching me on the 18 to 55mm kit lens set at 50mm. Just take note how the colors look. Is it maybe a little bit of noise or not? One more thing to point out is these lenses cost roughly the same amount. You could probably pick this up for £100 in the UK, and the stock kit lens you can probably get for about 120, 130, somewhere there. There's not much price gap between them, but let's see if there's a gap in qualities. I'm switching over to the 50mm Nifty 50 right now. Now you're watching me on the Nifty 50. This lens is a 50mm lens. I have not moved the distance between myself and the camera, so we're still looking at roughly 2.5 meters away from me. Let me know, can you see a difference? Is the quality better than the previous shot, or is it the same? You know, if you had to choose between lenses for making videos and you had money for one of these, which one would you buy? Take note, these are the colors behind me. This is the field of view. It should be the same because both of them are set on 50mm. And this is once again the Nifty 50 or the Canon 50mm lens. Have a good look. We're going to switch back to the 18 to 55mm kit lens now, just for comparison, and then we'll come back one more time to this one. So we're switching back to the 18 to 55mm right now. We're back with the 18 to 55mm lens. Is there a big difference? Can you see anything that's different quality, that's different, maybe colors, lighting? Let me know in the comments. This is once again the 18 to 55mm, and then for the last time, this is the Nifty 50. Okay, and once again, we're back to the Nifty 50. You be the judge. Is there a difference? Is there not a difference? And yeah, I hope this video helps you out. If you're planning to purchase a Canon 90D or one of the lenses, if you're unsure, I hope this helped you out somehow. Do remember to go and subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.